Welcome to Forever Learning Primary Education. Today we are going to read lesson number 2 from our very own English textbook Rainbow of Class 5. The title of the lesson is Two Frogs. Before reading the lesson, let's have a glance at the new words given in the beginning of this lesson. The first word is irritated. The next word is advancement. The third word is constructed. The next is odor. Number 5 is grumbled. The next is defecate. The seventh word is ignorant. And the last word is litter. Now, my dear children, we are going to begin with the reading part of this lesson. Are we ready? Yes. So let's go. Frog Pala and his wife Biro lived near the pond in a village. A few years back, there were many trees around the pond. It was a cool and calm place to live in. But now there were many tall buildings with great hustle and bustle around the pond. It was no longer cool and calm. Pala was happy with the fast moving life around the pond, but Biro was irritated with the litter near the pond. Pala said, "Dear, look at the buildings, how tall they are. Our village is now on the way to advancement." Biro grumbled. Advancement? Don't you realize that our health is at stake? What are you saying? Asked Pala. You need to look around you, said Biro. People have beautiful homes with all kinds of facilities, but they are not using them properly. What do you want to say? Asked Pala. Biro responded, They are not using their toilets. What? Exclaimed Pala. Biro continued, They defecate in the open near my home. This place stinks. I am fed up of this unpleasant odor. They are not even afraid of the danger they are going to face. Pala said, What kind of danger, Biro? Biro said, Diseases. How can we forget the 2 children of our village who died of diarrhea and infection? At least I can't. I am surprised. How can man be so ignorant about good hygiene practices? She continued, I have decided. I will not tolerate it any more. What will you do? Asked Pala. Biro announced, I will spread awareness among the people about the use of toilet and the advantages of keeping their homes and surroundings clean and healthy. Will you help me? Of course, a good deed needs no second thought, no permission, remarked Pala. Both of them were very happy as they had found the solution to a deadly problem. My dear children, this is where the lesson ends. Here we have come to know that This lesson is a story of two frogs named Pala and Biro. They seem to be a family. Here, one of the frogs, named Pala, is happy with the kind of advancement it is watching around it. But at the same time, its other family member, named Biro, is quite upset with the kind of filth and litter around its home. So, this lesson tells us how they had been able to find out a solution of removing the filth and dirt around their home. Biro decided to create awareness among the people that they should not defecate in the open. They should use the toilets built at their homes so that they could prevent the spread of diseases. So, my very dear children, we have come to know that cleanliness is next to godliness. This is how we should also try to keep our surroundings healthy and hygienic. We should try to make them always clean. So, this is the end of today's lesson. For the exercise part, including the translation of this lesson, we'll see each other in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Have good days.